Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to install WAMP server on Windows OS. So WAMP stands for Windows, Apache, MySQL and PHP. So by installing WAMP on your system, you can convert your computer into a web server, and you can test and debug web applications which are built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP, and also maybe using a DBMS like MySQL. So other alternatives to WAMP server are, one is EasyPHP Devserver and another one is XAMPP server. I have already created a video on how to install and work with EasyPHP Devserver. The link is provided in the description. Unfortunately, some students have reported that they were unable to install EasyPHP Devserver on Windows 11, and that's true. So if you see here on their home page, it is mentioned that EasyPHP Dev Server is available for Windows 7, 8 and 10 only. So in this video, let's see a step-by-step tutorial on how to install WAMP server on Windows 10. And I am pretty sure that this is going to work on Windows 11 also. So let's dive in. Open Google and type WAMP server and hit enter. So click on the first link from wampserver.com. So this is the WAMP server page. Let's scroll down a little. So you can see the download for 64-bit and 32-bit. Mine is 64-bit, so click here. Now you can see a pop-up asking you to enter some information. We can skip this and directly click this link to download. You can ignore this red failure message. Now click on this download button. So download will start in a few seconds. Okay, the download has started. I had already downloaded it, so I am canceling the download. You can wait for some time until the download gets finished. So here is the downloaded file. Double click to open it. Okay, choose the English language and click on OK. You can read the license agreement if you want and click on I accept the agreement and click on next. Right, now let's go through this information. So installing WAMP server requires different software that need to be installed first. So specifically we need to install Visual C++ packages. So if you already have them, no problem, but if you don't have, you have to install them. And please go through this information which is highlighted in red color. So let's go down a little bit, and to check whether all the required software is there or not, click this link. So the software will get downloaded. I already downloaded the software. Okay, here is the downloaded file. Double click, select English and click on OK. Now click on yes. Click on the check button. Okay, you can see that it is showing that these packages are not installed, and we can go to this URL and download them and then install them. Okay, so we have to click this link to download the missing files. So this is the web page. Let's scroll down a little. Okay, you can see the Visual C++ redistributable packages. As mine is 64-bit machine, I will download this. Okay, the file has started downloading. Okay, here is the downloaded file. Double click to run it. Check this box and click on install. The installation is in progress. Okay, it is asking to restart the system, so click on the restart button. Now let's check again. Double click on OK, click yes, click on check. Again we are getting an error. This time it is saying that the 32-bit package is not installed. So let's get that one also. Okay, we are back on the downloads page. We already installed the 64-bit file. Now let's download the 32-bit file. Okay, it is downloading. Now let's install the WAMP server. Click this to install and click yes. Click on OK. Check this and click on next. Now you can ignore this and click on next. Okay, this is important. Don't change this path. Just leave it and click on next. Alright, the installation has started. Alright, it is asking us to choose a browser. Click on yes and choose a browser that you like. I am going to choose Google Chrome browser. Okay, so here is the browser. Now it is asking to choose an editor. I will choose Notepad++. You can choose any editor that you want, but I want to choose Notepad++. So here it is. Alright, now it is finishing the installation process. Just few more seconds. Okay, it's done. You can click on next. Alright, installation has finished. Click on finish. Now let's run WAMP server. Double click this icon and click on yes. Okay, WAMP server is starting. Here in the system tray, you can see this WAMP server icon. Whenever this icon turns green, you are good to go. Now click this icon and click on localhost. If you are seeing this page, it means that you have installed WAMP server successfully and it is running properly. Congratulations.